Hi, I'm Erica Enders, two-time NHRA Pro Stock World Champion. Melling is excited to announce the release of the 10341 high-volume, high-performance oil pump for the Ford 3 and 4-valve 5.4-liter engines. The 10341 is the high-performance version of the new M340HV and M360HV pumps and the high-volume version of the 10340 featuring a 20% volume increase. Melling has been the only company to develop and produce a high-volume pump for these engines, and I'm proud to say they do it right here in Jackson, Michigan. The 10341 features a cast aluminum hard coat anodized body, 2 bypass spring options, and a phosphate-coated cover. Visit Melling.com for more information and to watch additional tech videos. I'm Erica Enders. Thanks for watching.